हेलो गाइस। आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में। तो आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं एक अलग सा कंटेंट, एसक्यूएल के इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस लाए हैं। तो ये इंटरव्यू के क्वेश्चंस फ्रेशर से लेके एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट को यूज़ में आने वाले हैं। तो चलो हम देखेंगे ये टॉप 25 क्वेश्चंस कौन से हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what are the different types of SQL commands? What are the different types of SQL commands? SQL commands can be categorized into four main parts: DDL, DML, DQL, and DCL. DDL, Data Definition Language. These commands for defining and managing database structure. DML, Data Manipulation Language. These commands for working with data. DQL, Data Query Language. These commands for retrieving the data. DCL, Data Control Language. These commands for managing access and permissions. तो second question है, what are the primary SQL data types? SQL data types include numeric, string, date and time, and boolean. Each type is used to store different kinds of data, like a numeric, date and time, string, and boolean. What is the purpose of SQL select statement? Question number 3. What is the purpose of SQL select statement? The select statement is used to retrieve the data from one or more tables in the database. It allows you to specify which columns and rows you want to retrieve. Question number 4. What are the different types of joins in SQL? ये क्वेश्चन हमेशा पूछा जाता है। तो what are the different types of joins in SQL? The different types of SQL joins are inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, cross join, self join. The first one, inner join, returns matching rows from both tables. Left join, returns all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. Right join, returns all rows from the right table and matching rows from the left. Full outer join, returns all rows from both tables. Cross join, returns all possible combinations of rows from both tables. Self join, joins a table with itself, often a hierarchical data. Question number 5. Explain the difference between inner join and outer join. Inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables, while outer join returns all rows from both tables and fills it missing values with null. Explain the difference between inner join and outer join. This question is asking in every interview. Inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables, while outer join returns all rows from both tables and fills in missing values with null. Question number 6. Define primary key and foreign key in SQL. First one is the primary key. A primary key is a unique identifier for each row in a table, ensuring no duplicates and no null values in its column. Foreign key. A foreign key links a column in one table to the primary key column in another table, enforcing data integrity and creating relationship between two tables. In summary, primary keys uniquely identify rows within a table, while foreign keys establish relationship between tables by linking to primary keys in other tables. Question number 7. What is the difference between subquery and a join? A subquery is a query nested inside another query, while a join combines data from multiple tables into a single result set. Subqueries are often used to retrieve the data from a specific condition. Question number 8. Explain the ACID properties in context of database transaction. ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. These properties ensure that database transactions are reliable and maintain data integrity. Question number 9. What is the difference between group by and having clauses in SQL? Group by is used to group rows that have the same values into summary rows, while having is used to filter grouped rows based on a specific condition. Question number 10. What is a subquery and how is it different from a join? A subquery is a query embedded within another query. It returns a single value or set of values to be used by the outer query. Join combines the rows from the two or more tables based on the related columns. Question number 11. Defining SQL order of execution. Here's the order of execution of SQL statement. From clauses, identify the table or views. Joins, combine the data. Then third, where clause, use for filter the rows. Group by clause, group the rows. Having clause, filter the group data. Select clause, choose the columns. Distinct, eliminate the duplicates. Order by clause, sort the rows. Limit or offset or fetch or first, computed the columns, Windows functions, rows limits, aliases, aggregate function, union, intersect, except. What is the difference between union and union all in SQL? Union removes the duplicate rows from the result set. Union removes the duplicate rows from the result set, while union all includes all rows even if they are duplicates. Question number 13. How can you optimize a slow running SQL query? You can optimize a query by creating the indexes, minimizing the use of wildcards in where clauses, and ensuring that tables are properly normalized. Question number 14. Explain the purpose of SQL case statement. The case statement allows you to perform the conditional logic in SQL queries similar to an if-else statement in the other programming language. Explain the purpose of the SQL case statement. The case statement allows you to perform the conditional logic in SQL queries similar to an if-else statement in the other programming language. Question number 15. What is the self join and when would you use it? A self join is a query in which a table is joined with itself. It's useful when you need to retrieve the related data from the same table, such as a hierarchical data.